新鮮熱辣嘅老婆餅食得啦！ Oh, wow, Mom, what are you making today?
老婆餅
Oh, 老婆餅. This is the
Wife
famous Chinese translated to
wife cake.
wife cake or wife biscuit. So the ingredients you see right here is the sweet winter melon. Typically you can buy it from the pack for New Year's, Chinese New Year's or Lunar New Year's. Got some sesame
Inside of something.
and also sunflower seeds and coconut. So here is what's going to be inside the 老婆餅. So my mom is making it into kind of like a ball shape. This is going to be what's going to be inside the interior, the good stuff. Okay, my mom is kneading a dough, which is enriched flour with some oil infused into it. Gotta make sure it's kneaded so it's soft. See, my mom's cutting into each individual serving for the atlas, the outside shell. She's separating enough dough for each cake or biscuit. How many you have done, Mom? Oh, wow. Okay, let's see you actually make one. Those look nice. Okay, so we get one of these dough that she pre-made. Roll it with this roller. Until it's pretty flat enough so you can put one of these fillings in there. Okay. Don't forget, it's got 4 ingredients: sweet winter melon, sesame, coconut, and sunflower seeds. So we're gonna wrap it in, fill it in until you make it flat. I think my mom put too much filling in here. Too much filling. Can't make it flat. Just periodically adding some water in there. See, trying to close out. Because you don't want too much filling because when you make it, it might, like explode or something. See, we put it into that shape. Eventually get into a flat shape.
Mama.
Okay, now we're gonna roll it a little bit. Okay, but you don't want to tear it. See, that's eventually gonna take that shape. You guys get the idea? See? That's one finished one. Okay. My mom's adding 2 slits. So it cooks better, and that's the traditional way. Okay, now we're gonna put some egg yolk. 係咪啊？唔係蛋白啊，蛋黃 egg yolk on top, so it gives you that crispy texture, crispy brown texture. While my mom is doing that, I'm gonna sprinkle. The last piece of the puzzle is sesame. 夠未啊媽？多啲啊？ Okay, mom said a lot of sesame. Okay. 385 degrees about for 20 to 25 minutes. Let's see how that turns out. Wow, I think my mom made about 30 plus of these. Let's see how they turn out. Okay, still 6 more minutes to go. Total 25 minutes. Look at this. I can see the top texture is turning into a light golden brown. It's gonna be beautiful. Okay, mom's ready. Open it. Oh, the top looks beautiful. Wow. Can't wait to try it. Okay, let's see how it turned out. Haven't eaten this in a long time. Okay, Mom, you try that one. I try this one. Pretty flaky. The bottom,
对，有燒多啲很
I
重。
wish it was more flaky like the top, but ooh, it's good. I taste the coconut and the sweetness. Nice job, Mom. Nice job. It looks beautiful. Tastes pretty good. Brings back memories. I give you a B plus, Mom.